Are you developing diagnostic reagents and need to improve stability, shelf life, or global reach? Lyophilization could be the solution. Join us for the Diagnostics Consultation Day, a first-of-its-kind lyophilization event happening on July 3rd at Biopharma Group House in Winchester, UK. This exclusive event offers a personalised, practical insight into how lyophilization enhances diagnostic reagent stability, supports scale-up, and prepares products for market and regulatory success. You can choose from 2 different ticket options for this event: a standard ticket or a ticket with a trial lyophilization cycle to get started in your lyophilization journey. There is also the option to add on a freeze-drying microscopy analysis of your product. For just £195, your registration includes a personalised one-to-one consultation with our technical team, tailored to your product's challenges, feasibility and development strategy. If you have already attempted lyophilization, you are welcome to bring your own lyophilized samples for evaluation. Our technical team will review your results and provide general feedback on success and suggested next steps. Experience innovative technologies firsthand, including MicroPress and LyoBead Pro, alongside a practical introduction to pre- and post-lyophilization analysis, including live demonstrations of our freeze dryers. Our expert-led presentations will explore the key challenges and opportunities in freeze-drying diagnostics, including freeze-dried product format considerations. For £495, you will have the opportunity to conduct a trial lyophilization of your own product to assess feasibility. We'll produce 1 vial of LyoBeads or an 8-well strip, ideal for initial process and visual feedback. With the freeze-drying microscopy add-on, costing £180, our technical team will review your pre-lyophilized liquid sample formulation, provide feedback on its lyophilization potential, and suggest recommended next steps. With space for just 12 participants and a maximum of 2 attendees per company, we encourage early registration. Spots will fill fast. Ready to take part? Visit our event page for full details and register today.